Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a video collage on Instagram. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you actually have two options to make a video collage for Instagram, okay? So the first option is using the Instagram app itself, and the second option is by using an editor. Okay, it could be an editing app, okay? It could be CapCut or something else, okay? If you want me to create that video, well, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Now, this video, let's go ahead and use Instagram, swipe left. Now, you cannot see, okay, layout for Reels if you are using Android. So I pointed out layout because this one is what we need to use to create this collage, okay? So for Reels, if you're using Android, as you can see here, we don't have it, okay? So if you're using iOS, you have the layout option right here. So I'm just going to be showing you by using the story option, which is layout. The process is just the same. Okay, so first up, tap on layout. You change the grids right here. For example, I'm going to use this one, the 3 grid. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this one if I want to capture from my camera. Okay, maybe like that. And then the second one, I'm going to upload a photo. This one. And by the way, for Reels, if you're under the Reel section, you will be able to upload a video. For story, okay, for story collage, only photos, okay? So after that, you're gonna go ahead and tap on check and just post it on your story. All right, that's basically that. Again, for story, you can only use photos. And for Reels, you will be able to upload or use videos. Okay, and again, if you want me to create a video about using CapCut or any other video editing software to make a collage for Instagram, well, just gotta let me know in the comments below. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.